If somebody takes
Uma ngabe umuntu ethatha
your problems
athatha inkinga zakho
or your pain
noma inhlungu zakho
and they put it on themselves,
bese afaka kibo,
that person is not showing you pity.
lo muntu loyo akakuzweli,
That lacks mercy.
akakuzweli bese lapho kushoda ngokuthi akahawukile.
That person is showing you pity that is satisfied with mercy.
Lo muntu loyo ukhomba ukukuzwela okupheleliswe ngumhawu.
They take what you go through.
Bathatha lokho wena
They
udlule.
take what you feel.
Bathatha lokho okuzwayo.
They make themselves to feel it, to go
Bayenza
through it.
ukuthi nabo badlule kiko bakuzwe.
That is far beyond pitying someone.
Lokho kundlulela ukuzwela umuntu.
That's why you can pity a person
Yingakho ungamzwela umuntu
without feeling what they are going through.
ngaphandle ukuthi uzwe lokho abadlula kiko.
Meaning, pity
Okusho ukuthi uzwelo
does not involve the person who's feeling pity for another person.
alifaki lo muntu lo ozwela omunye umuntu.
But the moment pity is satisfied with mercy,
Kodwa lesikhathi
you
ukuzwela
involve
kwanele
yourself
isongo
in what they
nghawu,
go through.
uyazifaka nawe kuloko
You
abadlula
involve yourself
uyazifaka kuloko abadlula kiko.
in what they go through.
Kuloko abadlula kiko.
Then, in that manner,
Kuleyo ngaleyo ndlela ke
it's easy
kulula
to satisfy God.
ukuthi
It's
wanelise
easy to
uNkulunkulu.
please God.
Kulula ukuthi
For
uthokoze
Matthew
uNkulunkulu.
5 verse 7,
Mateyu
it
5
says, "Blessed are those who show mercy.
lithi babusekile laba
Blessed
abakhombisa
are those
umhawu.
who are merciful.
Babusekile laba
They will be
abahawukelayo.
filled. They will
Bazogcwaliswa.
be filled and
Bazogcwaliswa
satisfied."
futhi baneliseke.
So it means if you show someone mercy, I
Ukusho
mean
ukuthi
pity,
mawumkhombisa
and you
uzwelo,
don't satisfy that with mercy.
bese ungakwanelisi lokho ngomhawu.
Let's say you meet with someone, ShopRite or wherever, Akula,
Umuntu
ne?
ey'tolo.
And that person is sick. You just look at them and say, the person is blind.
Manje umbheke nje lo muntu uthi uyimphuphuthi.
And then you go.
Bese uyahamba.
Meaning you left the person with pain.
Kusho ukuthi ushiye lo muntu leyo nenhlungu.
You left the person with blindness.
Umshiye
You
nobumpuphu.
left them with what they are feeling,
Ubashiye ngalokho
without you
abakuzwayo.
feeling it.
Ngaphandle ukuthi wena nawe ukuzwe.
So mercy steps in
Umhawu ke ungenelela
to satisfy
ukuthi wanelise
the love of God.
uthando likaNkulunkulu.
The love of God.
Uthando likaNkulunkulu.
You can have love
Ungaba nothando
without satisfying your love.
ngaphandle ukuthi wanelise uthando lwakho.
You can have pity,
Ungaba
you
nokuzwela,
can have mercy,
ungaba nomhawu.
but if your mercy does not satisfy
Kodwa uma ngabe umhawu wakho unganelisi
pity,
uzwelo,
it means you leave people incomplete.
kusho ukuthi ushiya abantu bangaphelelanga.
Incomplete.
Ushiya abantu bangaphelelanga.
A person's pain must be your pain.
Inhlungu zomuntu
A
kufanele
person's
kube
leg
inhlungu
must
zakho.
be your leg.
Ukwesela komunye umuntu kufanele kube ukwesela kwakho.
So that when one day you go through leg,
Ukuze ngelinye ilanga noma udlule kwesweleni,
it's credited to your mercy.
kufakiwe
You are
emhawini
able
wakho.
to withdraw.
Uyakhona ukukhipha.
Those are moments where you don't pray
Lapho
or
yinkathi la
ask for
ungakhulumi
mercy.
khona noma
No,
ucela
already
umhawu.
it's deposited in your account.
Sekuvele kufakiwe e-accountini
You
yakho.
already have that.
So vele unawo.
Meaning no one will pass you and not feel like helping you.
Akekho ozondlula kuwe manje lapha angazizwa shangathi angakusiza.
But if you only pity people,
Kodwa uma ngabe
it's
uzwela
easy for
abantu
people
kuphela,
to look at you and
kulula
laugh.
ukuthi abantu bamane bakubheke bakudlule.
Yet you are going through something.
Kanti udlule entweni
You're going
ethile.
through pain.
Udlule enhlungwini.
But they don't what? They don't feel it.
Kodwa bezwa kushangathi
But if
angasiza.
you have been showing other people mercy,
Kodwa uma ngabe bawukhombisa abanye abantu
your
umhawu,
credit
maye i-account yakho
is satisfied and filled.
inelisekile futhi
And
igcwalisiwe.
filled. Let's start with Matthew 5 verse 7.
Qala ngoMateyu
Say, I
5.
love you, Jesus.
Ngakuthanda Jesu.
Say, I love you, Holy Spirit.
Ngithanda Moya Omngcwele.
Say, I love you, Lord.
Ngithanda Nkosi.
Say, I'm blessed above all.
Ngibisisekile ngaphezu kwako konke.
God so loved the world.
uNkulunkulu walithanda izwe.
So loved,
Walithanda izwe.
but it was not enough.
Kodwa bekunganelanga.
It was not.
Bekunganelanga.
You may love,
Ungathanda
thinking it's enough.
ucabanga ukuthi sekwanelile.
So what satisfies love?
Yini ke iphelelisa uthando?
Mercy.
Umhawu.
So if I show you mercy, I'm satisfying my love for you.
Mangikhombisa umhawu.
I'm satisfying how I feel towards you.
Ngiphelelisa
But
indlela
if I
engizwa
only
ngayo.
love you without showing you mercy,
Uma ngabe ngikuthanda phela ngaphandle
it's still
kokukhomba
pity.
umhawu.
I'm still pitying you. I have not yet felt how you feel.
Angisengezwa ukuthi
I have not
uzizwa
yet
kanjani.
passed through what you are passing through.
Angisengandluli kuloko wena
So
udlule
it's
kukho.
easy for me to use my tongue wrongly
Kulula ukuthi ngisebenzise ilimi lami kabi
concerning your situation
ngesimo sakho.
because I have not yet satisfied my love
Ngoba angisengaphelelisa
through
uthando
mercy.
lwami ngomhawu.
So God so loved
uNkulunkulu walithanda.
and He made sure that He satisfied His love.
Wayenza isiqiniseko nokuthi uyaliphelelisa uthando lwakhe.
You can love without satisfying your love.
ungathanda ngaphandle kokuthi uphelelise uthando lwakho
Forgiving,
uxolele
but without satisfaction.
kodwa ngaphandle
So
kokuthi uwanelise.
satisfaction is where now mercy comes in.
uphelelisa yilapho khona
Now that
umhawu
love is
uzongenelela.
complete.
lolo thando
Because you begin to
loseluphelele
treat a person in a way they don't deserve
ngoba
to be treated.
uqala uphatha umuntu ngendlela engafanele aphathe ngayo
You treat them in a way they were not expecting.
ubaphatha ngendlela
That you can treat
ebebanganikelanga
them.
ukuthi ungabaphatha
Knowing what
ngayo.
they are doing to you.
bazi ukuthi bayenzani kuwe
But because you want to show mercy,
kodwa ngoba ufuna
you want to
ukubonisa
satisfy the love you have towards
ufuna
them.
ukuphelelisa lo thando
You
onalo
don't mind what they are doing to you.
awunandaba ukuthi wena
You
bakwenza
don't care what they are saying about you.
awunandaba ukuthi bathini ngawo
Knowing that Judas is going to deny you.
wazi ukuthi ujuda
Knowing that Judas is going to betray you.
wazi ukuthi ujuda uzokhaphela
Satisfied love with mercy.
kodwa uthando lanelisiwe nomhawu
He feeds him. He says, "It mshibele isinkwa uyamdlisa." Manje uthi, go do what you're supposed to do.
esethi hambe wenza lokho
Look at
kufanele
mercy.
ukwenze.
I know you're going to sin against me now, but I'm the one who sends you
kodwa yimfutho okuthuma
so that my love can be satisfied.
ukuze uthando lami lizopheleliswa pheleliswe umhawu
Umdlisa isinkwa uthi bamba. Qeda uyamthuma. Who sent Judas? You think it's betrayal? No. Jesus sent him.
ujesu
Jesus sent him, go betray.
ujesu wamthuma ukuthi hambe
He
uyongikhaphela
was not going to betray Jesus without being
yangeke
sent
azamkhaphela ujesu ngaphandle kokuthi athunywe
by him.
athunywe nguye
Meaning Jesus gave him the access.
okusho ukuthi ujesu nguye owamnikeza imvumo
Jesus gave him the right
ujesu nguye owamnikeza igunya
to go and betray
ukuthi
him.
ahambe ayomkhaphela
You get it? That's what love is.
uthando-ke
Knowing that someone is going to do something bad now,
wazi ukuthi umuntu uzowenza into embi
but you send them.
kodwa uyabathuma
Knowing that this person
wazi ukuthi lo muntu lo
is saying this and this,
ukhuluma uthi
but you send them.
kodwa uyabathuma
Your love gets to
uthando
be
lwakho
satisfied.
liyaleliseka liyapheleliswa
Now you are able to look at your love
uyakhona ubheka uthando lwakho
and see the credit of mercy in it.
bese uyabona lokho okubayiwe komhawu
And say,
uthandweni
wow, I
lakho.
did not just love the person.
Siyamuntu azange
Oh,
ngimanike
man,
uthando
I
nje.
went beyond love.
kodwa ngidlulelile
I went
uthandweni.
beyond love. Meaning I showed the person what I was not supposed to show.
okusho ukuthi ngikhombise lo muntu into
I
ebengafanelanga
treated them the way I was not supposed to treat
ase
them.
ngendlela ebengafanelanga ngiphathe ngayo
According to what they've done,
ngalokho
they were
abakwenzile
supposed to be punished.
befanele bajeziswe
Can you see your mercy in your love?
uyambona umhawu wakho othandweni lakho na
Huh? Ask your neighbor, do you see your mercy in your love?
uyawubona umhawu wakho othandweni lakho na
Or man, Katanda. You're a liar, man.
umcambi
You're a liar.
umcambi manje
Ah, Nyaktanda. Hey, you're a liar. Let's wait. Can we find mercy in your love?
ngabe siyawuthola umhawu othandweni lakho na
Mercy, it means even when I do something bad to you
umhawu
now,
kusho ukuthi noma ngakwenza into embi
you
manje
go beyond loving me.
uyadlulela ekutheni umthande
You show me mercy.
bese ungikhombisa umhawu
Even when you have to mistreat me,
noma ngabe fanele
but because of
kahle,
mercy, you change your
kodwa
mind.
ngenxa yomhawu uyaguqula
I must treat the person good.
ukuthi fanele ngiphathe kahle lo muntu
No man can say so, but because of mercy,
kodwa ngenxa yomhawu
mele ngisatisfy uthando love.
fanele ngiphelise
People
uthando.
carry unsatisfied
Abantu
love.
baphethe uthando
Aye. People carry unsatisfied
Abantu
love.
baphethe uthando lungakapheleli
They claim to be loving.
bathi bayathanda
It's a lie.
amanga
There's no love without mercy.
alikho uthando ngaphandle
There's no love without mercy.
alikho
If
uthando
there's no
ngaphandle
mercy, it's not
komhawu.
love.
uma ngabe kunganamhawu sho ukuthi
It's a
akusuthando
pity.
kodwa
called
uswela
love.
kubizwa ngothando
So you say you love the person and the pity. The blind leading the blind, they're all going to go to the
impuphutho
ditch.
ihola impuphutho nonke niyowela emgodini
Ngobe, what is love?
yini uthando
Love begins to open its eyes
uthando liqala livula
the
amehlo
moment mercy steps in. Love can see now.
uthando ke manje
Love is no longer blind now. It's no longer the blind leading the blind. Mercy,
akusasimpuphutho kodwa
mercy has stepped in.
umhawu songenelelile
When there's pity,
lapho kunozwela
blindness still dominates.
ukumpuphuthe kusabusa
But once mercy comes in,
kodwa umhawu mawungenele
eyes must be open
amehlo
to
kufanele avuleke
recognize and see
ukuthi abone
face to face.
ubuso
The
nobuso
cherubs are looking at each other
amakherabhu abhekene
face to face. They recognize the blood,
ayabonana abona
they recognize the mercy,
abona umhawu
not just love without mercy.
ayuthando ngaphandle komhawu